Hey, this is Thomas here from Unique Woodcraft, and I have finished my router table build and I'd just like to give you a little review of what it turned out like. So I just made a nice router table with a router lift with a aftermarket router lift here. I think the brand is, I think it's called Exact Router Lift, and it comes with the motor and the lift and the whole kit, as you can see here. And it's got a height adjustment in the side here, which you can turn up and down, and it changes the height of the bit. And I've got a nice start and stop on the side here. And then I've got different drawers for different accessories. I've got one over here for my router bits, even though I haven't drilled the holes on for the bits yet. And then a few drawers down here, custom made drawers. I've got some router bits in there for the handheld router. And just a domino down here, and my hand router in here with a few different accessories. And I've made a miter slot here for it, which you can put in here. Just makes it nice if you're doing some work where you need the miter slot. So I'm actually pretty pleased with that. And put some wheels on it, so it's easy to move around in my small workshop here, as you can see. And on the back here we have a dust port, and then I've got this homemade fence which I made and it's got these knobs here so I can adjust. It's a split fence, so I can adjust this here back and forth. Let's see if I can get it to move here. I can adjust this back. There you go. That's for both. I can do that on both sides, and it's got a little dust port here too, which is nice. So the only thing I need to get done is to get this fence mounted some way so it slides back and forth easy here, because now I'm just putting, I'm using what do you call it? I'm using clamps to hold this down when I use the fence. So, but I think it turned out pretty nice, and it's a nice luxury to have instead of just a handheld router. And the motor in there has got, you can adjust the speed on it too. So that's quite nice to have as well, and it seems to work pretty accurately, so that's very nice. And as you can see, the dust port, and then the back there too. And it's all made out of 18mm birch plywood, and the top is 2 pieces of birch plywood glued together with, and then I laminated the top, which makes it a nice surface to run your pieces of wood along. So I'm very pleased with that. And then it's just got a cherry edging here, so I'm pretty pleased with that. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below, and if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up, So anyway, that's the router table.